The other side is supply. That, remember last year we were having the conversation when you told me that the supply is not catching up to the demand. And now we are facing that problem. There's a huge demand-supply mismatch. How long do you see this continuing as well?
It's a big question. So, last month we saw the peak power deficit, which was close to 10.5, 11%. The same deficit we saw in 2004, 2005. But remember 2004, 2005, our grid was around 75 gigawatt, today 200 gigawatt. So the same percentage of the power deficit at 200 gigawatt, you're talking about 20 gigawatt. It's a meaningful thing. India is facing two challenges. One is energy transition, second is incremental demand. India is the third largest power market in the world, but the fastest growing in the world. Now, if you are talking about even 7-8% demand growth, we're talking about 17-18 gigawatt, and if you want to meet that by fossil fuel or a balance of thermal plus renewable, we're looking at a huge capital investment which has not happened in this particular sector. So it's a big challenge now. On top of it, you are talking about energy transition.
Yeah.
Now, large corporates, they want to move away from fossil fuel to renewable energy. Second is India is also having set a net zero target. There are the large refinery complexes, industrial complexes who want to set up more and more incremental capacity. All that put together is creating a big challenge in front of us. So enough has not been done in last 1 decade in terms of the capacity addition, because we were steering at some point of time over capacity. But that has got absorbed. But now it's an immediate challenge, and which will get mitigated. But yes, it's going to be a little cold winter for next 3 years, and probably after that it will start easing out. But next 3 to 5 years are going to be a shortage time.
Wow, so 3 to 5 years, because of course overnight you can't put up a power plant or even the renewable energy units as well. But the merchant tariffs as well, as a result of this demand supply mismatch, had shot up quite strongly. Even right now they're very close to 6 to 7 rupees. Do you expect that trend also to continue, and hence merchant sales are likely to kind of benefit?
Yeah, that will remain elevated, because two factors one needs to see. One is the international coal prices have been on a higher side. They went as high as $300 a ton, came down to 100, now again at 130. So international prices are higher. Inflation is high. So the variable cost, fixed cost to produce power is already hardened. And so in such a scenario, merchant tariffs will remain elevated, so for a long period of time.